Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe and good. Today in this class you are going to learn conversation and general awareness. In conversation you are going to learn about let's speak something, introduction of these and those. At last you are going to learn how to do worksheet number 5.
Kids, in this session we are going to learn let's speak something. Where did you keep your notebook?
I kept it on the bench.
Why did you tear your book?
I'm sorry ma'am, I will paste it.
Have you pasted the book?
Yes ma'am, I have pasted my book.
Whose book is it?
It is not mine, it's my father's.
What are you doing?
I am writing.
What do you want?
I want an eraser.
What do you like?
I like ice cream.
What is in your hand?
Nothing ma'am.
Where are you going?
I am going to drink water.
Where is she?
She has gone to the restroom.
Do you know the answer?
Yes ma'am, I know.
Why are you crying?
I have fever ma'am.
Why are you looking so dull today?
I am not feeling well.
What happened?
I cut my finger with sharpener.
Thank you. In this class, we are going to see these and those. We use the word these to show more than one person or objects near us. Example, these are flowers. These are nets. We use the word those for more than one person or objects that are far. Example, those are stars. Those are birds. This is your conversation worksheet number 5. Please write the date and your name and your section. Keep finger in Roman number 1. Color the beginning sound. Color the beginning sound. See here, some objects are given this side. We have to find the correct beginning sound of the object and we have to color that sound. Keep finger on 1. Can you see what picture is this? This is an umbrella. Umbrella. What's the beginning sound of umbrella? A. What's the beginning sound of umbrella? A. Look at here, 3 sounds are given. P, A, A. A, umbrella. Take a crayon, take your favorite color and color the sound A. Color it. Color inside the circle, okay? Don't come out of the circle. Color neatly. Now keep finger on 2. Do you know what picture is this? This is a soap. What's the beginning sound of soap? S. Look at this. This is the sound B. G. S. S. Soap. Now take the crayon, circle the sound S. Now keep finger on 3. What is this? This is an orange. A. Orange. What sound is this? A. This one K. And this is Now circle the sound. Now color the sound A. A. Orange. Color the sound A. Now keep finger on 4. Do you know what is this? This is a tortoise. Look at the 3 sound. This is h, h, t, t, qua, t, tortoise, t, tortoise. Color the sound t. Now keep finger on 5. What picture is this? This is yam. Y, yam. Look at these 3 sounds. What sound is this? N. This is ir. And this is y. Y, yam. Now color the sound y. Now turn the page. Keep finger on Roman number 2. Match the word with picture. Now we are going to match the word with the picture. Keep finger on 1. This is the word run. Run. Look at this side. Where is the picture run? Here it is. Now match the word run with the picture run. Take your pencil. Keep your pencil near the word run and move your pencil towards the picture run. Now keep finger on 2. This is the word jump. Jump. Look at this side. Where is the picture jump? Here it is. Now match the word to the picture jump. Keep your pencil and draw a line towards the picture jump. Keep finger on 3. This is the word sit. Sit. Look at this side. Where is the picture sit? It's here. Now match the word sit to the picture sit. Okay, finger on 4. Swim. Swim. See the boy, he is swimming. Now match the word swim to the picture swim. Now keep finger on 5. Read. Read. See this side. See, the boy is reading. So match the word read to the picture read. We will see this worksheet in our Zoom class. Bye kids.
In general awareness, you are going to learn about water animals, pet animals, and also how to do worksheet number 5. Come on children, let's get into the class. Children, in this general awareness class, you are going to learn about water animals. Water animals. Water animals. There are some animals that live in water. Children, can you see here? What are these? These are some of the water animals. Do you know what is this? This is fish. And this is crab. See here. Turtle. Starfish. Octopus. Whale. Dolphin. This is also turtle. These are water animals. Shall we read it again? This is fish. And this is crab. See here. Turtle. Starfish. Octopus. Whale. Dolphin. This is also turtle. These are water animals. Children, color the picture. Can you guess what is this? Yes, you are right. This is blue whale. This is blue whale. Take out blue color. See, take out your navy blue and color the whale. Children, while you are coloring, don't come out of the line. Color it evenly. Children, see here how beautiful is this blue whale. We will be doing this one in our Zoom class. Draw a circle around the animals that live in water. Children, you can see many animals here. You have to draw a circle, the animals which live in water. What is this? This is a fish. Where do the fish live? The fish live in the water. Therefore, we have to circle the fish. Next one. What animal is this? Yes, you are right. This is a tiger. Do the tiger live in water? No. So, you should not circle the tiger. Next one. What is this? This is a lion. Lion lives in forest. So, you should not circle the lion. And this one, elephant. Cow. Does the cow live in water? No. The cow does not live in water. What is the next one? Turtle. Yes, you are right. So, turtle lives in the water. So, you have to circle the turtle. Next, what is this? This is a sparrow. Sparrow is a bird. What is this? This is a starfish. Starfish also lives in water. So, circle the starfish. What is this? Octopus. Octopus is a water animal. So, you have to circle the octopus. Children, we will be doing these exercises in our Zoom class. Children, I hope now you are all familiar with water animals. Next, we are going to see about pet animals. Do you know what is pet animal? Yes, you are right. The animal which lives in our home is called pet animal. Do you have pet? Very good. Can you name some pet animals? Yes, dog, cat, parrot, rabbit, etc. So now we are going to learn about pet animals. Come on children. Pet animals. There are some animals that live in our homes. They are called pets. See, what pet animal is this? Rabbit, parrot, fish, dog, cat. These are pet animals. Taking care of pets. This is Suraj. He loves his pet dog and takes care of him. See here, what is Suraj doing? He is feeding his dog. Next, he is playing with his pet. Here, he is bathing his pet. Next page. Now, Suraj is grooming the pet. Next, Suraj taking his pet a walk. Suraj takes his pet to the doctor for a checkup. Next one, color the animal which can live in your home as a pet. Color the animal which can live in your home as a pet. What animal is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a tiger. In this two, which is a pet animal? Tiger or a dog? Which will live in your home? Yes, you are right. Dog is a pet animal. We keep dog as our pet in our home. Now, you have to color the dog. Shall we color now? Yes. Children, color it slowly and neatly. Children, we will be doing this exercise in our Zoom class. Thank you. Children, this is your worksheet number 5. Roman number 1. Draw a line to the water animals. See, here you can see many animals. In these, you have to draw a line to the water animals. Fish is a water animal. Fish is a water animal. So, you have to draw a line to the water. Next one, octopus. Octopus is also a water animal. Next, dog. Is dog a water animal? No. What is the next one? What is this? This is a dolphin. Dolphin is a water animal. So, you have to draw a line. Class, what is this? This is a rabbit. Rabbit is a pet animal. So, we should not draw the line. Next, turn the page. Roman number 2. Color the pet animal. What pet animal is this? Yes, you are right. This is a cow. Now, shall we color this cow? Yes. Children, while you are coloring, don't come out of the line. Color it neatly and slowly. Children, we will be doing this worksheet in our Zoom class. Hi children, I hope you have enjoyed this class. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.